Ever dreamt of living in an expensive mansion all to yourself? The capital of UAE's economy seems to be your genie in this. This amazing $1 million mansion in Dubai is sure to force you to do a double take. Is the house worth the millions? Or is it just another overrated wallet-snatching investment? What if it is all destroyed in mere seconds by an unexpected crisis? Is the risk worth taking, or is it a hard pass? A Versailles-like mansion is being sold for $750 million, which is like $240 million, and ding 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 in Dubai of all places, and amid higher demand for luxury properties in the UAE. And according to reports by the Marble Palace, this is the most expensive mansion sold in the region. See this picture here. Yes, this is one of the most expensive mansions in Dubai. The mansion has 60,000 square feet of indoor space with 5 lavish bedrooms. At 4,000 square feet, it's fair to say that the primary bedroom is bigger than most homes. Needless to say that the money speaks for itself. The ground floor has rooms for dining and entertaining. Other amenities include a 15-car garage, 19 bathrooms, indoor and outdoor pools, 2 domes, an 80,000-litre coral reef aquarium, a power substation and panic rooms. Furthermore, it sits on a 70,000 square foot lot in a gated community, overlooking a golf course as per the report by Bloomberg. The property nicknamed the Marble Palace by the selling agents. Boy, doesn't this sound like something born to be inscribed on historical notes. The mansion was built using an estimated 80 million dirhams to 100 million dirhams in marble from countries including Italy. If this wasn't called a palace, I'm sure the neighbouring kids would have considered it one at least. According to reports, the construction of the building took nearly 12 years and was completed in 2018. And this is according to the reports by Lux Habitat Sotheby's International Realty, who is selling the property. You will either love it or hate it. The mansion is built like a literal royal palace, with its gold decor and statues lining each corner and adding sophistication to the entire atmosphere. Now you may be wondering as to what justifies the asking price. What makes the palace worth $1 million? The location of the mansion is minutes from Palm Jumeirah and about 25 minutes by car from the Dubai International Financial Centre business district, making it considerably close to widely known places. Emirates Hills, a gated community, was created 2 decades ago and has often been described as Dubai's Beverly Hills. Without the movie industry connections, of course. A golf course runs through the middle of the mansion. The old money vibe is quite blinding. The total lot size of the Marble Palace is one of the largest in the community. It is said that an adjacent plot of about 6,000 square feet could be purchased or leased from the developer, potentially used for a tennis or paddleball court. The primary suite of this mansion is reserved for 2 rooms, mainly the 2 owners. The second largest bedroom suite is 2,500 square feet in total. That's larger than your average mall. The guest rooms are each about 1,000 square feet, although one is currently configured to store wine. The mansion contains 12 staff rooms with space for up to 25, and to no one's surprise, there are also 2 bank vaults for private reasons. I mean, after spending all the money building it, how is the owner still rich? Now, the funny thing about all this is that there is literally only 5 to 10 people eligible enough to buy it. There has been a Russian who has had a representative view the property in his stead and is now figuring out how to move that amount of money. The second is an Indian client who already owns 3 properties in Emirate Hills. Lux Habitat Sotheby's broker Kunal Singh says, "This is something you would buy to show off to bring some elite people, leaders, politicians. The person who buys it is definitely in politics, is in leadership. They want to entertain people. You can't do that on the palm without getting noticed, without getting media attention," she says. Referring to Palm Jumeirah, the man-made arpeggio where there are many high-end homes. In Emirate Hills, you can invite the Obamas, you can invite the sheiks into the palace and entertain. Who would get the mansion at the end, Russian or Indian? Do you think the mansion is worth the hype that people put it through? Is the negative side of the story not an issue as long as the outside walls are pretty enough? Is the whole royal palace image a facade to something sinister going behind the pretty columns? All things aside, the mansion is a sight for sore eyes. Comment your thoughts below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more such videos.